Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's raining again tonight. I told y'all if on YouTube, if it continue to rain, I'm gonna come back. You know, I'm on my front porch. Yep, and it's cold rain. It's cold rain. Just took my medicine and stuff like that. Get ready to go to bed and stuff like that. Yep. What a rainy night. Hopefully it ain't gonna be an all night rain. Yep. Anybody that's getting off from work, I hope you have a car. You gotta catch the bus. Oh my God, you gotta catch the bus. You know. It's raining again tonight. Yep. That's the name of my YouTube video, and it's gonna be the name of my Facebook Live video. So this gonna be eventually on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. Definitely will. Okay. Oh yeah, I got a text message. Got a text message from Nyla. Okay, me and Nyla still talk. Anybody that's concerned, Nyla. Well, I bet Nyla is over here a couple of years from now watching this video on my television or whatever, Who knows? If you got a car, you're okay. If you out of gas, you're not okay. Okay? Focus, camera. Okay? Yep. Oh, and it's cold out here, y'all. They said a groundhog. I don't believe in a groundhog could predict the weather if it don't see the shadow or whatever. I don't believe in that, y'all. I really don't. Yep. Yep, it's a rainy night, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it is. Yeah. Okay. I assume that's security right there, Yep. I better go warm up inside, y'all. I was just doing the weather report, okay, on Facebook Live, okay? I'll probably go to Instagram Live if possible. If so, okay, I might as well go. All right.